Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Discord username invisible. This will be a quick and easy tutorial. All you need to do is follow the instructions step by step. First, go ahead and open the user settings, then go to your display name. Make sure you're on your My account, click Edit, and then delete your current display name. Next, head to the description below. You'll find a text there. Copy that text and paste it here. It should look like this. Let me show you now. Just paste it. It should look like this. Now delete this symbol here and the one at the start. As you can see, your username is now invisible. And that's how you make your Discord username invisible. As always, thanks for watching.